Good morning everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So starting off with Euro-USD as usual, and nothing really going on here. You can see we sort of, last week we had a bit of a fall, and going into close we had a bit of a rally, and we have now got an inside bar there on the 8 hour with follow through happening. So key thing here is we are in an uptrend. The moving averages are pointing to the upside, but low, lower low, high, lower high, and that one probably not going to pan out. But if we start dropping below this 8 hour bar of this week, or both these 8 hour bars of this week, then that would validate that that is out of the way. We probably have a fractional up at that point there. So for me at the moment, this is a noisy week. We've got waiting for CPI data on Thursday, as well as more jobs number, and we have the job openings data today. So that's going to see whether Americans are going back to work or whether they are sitting at home on the dole. Anyway, so if we just look at the 1 hour, strong move on Friday, consolidation flag, strong move back up. Look at our oscillators at the moment. We've got a crossover the moving average. So this area right here is fairly interesting, 121741, and even as low as 121650. So probably more the same. So we've got a move, consolidation, and I would expect some kind of support to be found here and possibly a move to the upside. So remember, the 8 hour trend is up. Okay, even though we are making these lower lows, it's still an upward trend, and look at your oscillators are pointing up as well. So I'd expect that's kind of what's going to happen. So stronger euro, weaker dollar. So this is the area to watch, 121,741. See if we can find support there, opportunity to buy in, and you're looking for the measured move. Let's just be conservative. Take that one. And you are going to be looking for, my first area of profit is going to be around here. Yeah, so good chance you're probably going to fall to 121,650, aiming for 122,166. US dollar, Japanese yen, very, very messy, and it's very difficult to trade. It's almost like trading a range, big up, big down, big up, big down, and potential double top here. You can see there, look at the diversions. So that's high, higher, high, high, low. So that's diversions. We've bounced off that, and now we've come below. We closed below 109,340. So you know, if the Euro-USD plays out, then I would expect the dollar to get weak against the yen as well. So this is a level to watch. 109,340. At the moment we're above it, but if you come down to the hour, you'll see that there is potentially, that's a fairly strong level as I gave you yesterday. We did get below it, and now we've gapped up above it, but look at my oscillators at the moment. So take one of these levels here, so pick up all the tails. That's the only tail that is open at the moment. These prices gone past already, so that's the next one there. Got a crossover over here as well, and nothing else. I suppose the other thing to look at would be that swing low over there, and that's fairly significant. That you can see rejected up, not quite rejected, so that's a possibility there. So two levels you're looking for shorts off, 109,470 and 109,528. Stop is above these swing highs here. British pound, Japanese yen, nothing really on offer here. We're in this area of support. We've got an inside bar at the moment. Oscillators are not really grouped up for a decent trade to the upside just yet, but they are getting close. And if we move across to the 1 hour, probably another move down by the looks of things. So another retest of one of these areas. You're looking for a base to form, and this looks like a fairly interesting area here. So that's 154,862, and you can see we've got an inside bar off that level. So technically a close above this bar would give you, along with a stop here. Just be wary, because all the moving averages have crossed over into a bearish pattern at the moment. So yeah, I think this is something worth waiting for the open and trade that range. Let's get rid of this one here. Delete that one. So that is the range, and by the looks of things, that's going to be our opening range. So nice sizable range. What you're looking for is a break and retest, or even just a close below either side of the range, and then you're looking for a target equal to the height of the range, either the upside or the downside. So you're looking for a break of 155092 to the upside, or alternatively 154843 to the downside, and all you want to do is just basically look for the range target. There's my range target, there's my range target. So target to the upside, target to the downside. Downside target 154582, upside target 155341. Lastly, Euro British Pound. Nothing really going on here. We're still hovering around this area of 0.85-830, and looking at my oscillators, diversions, low, lower low, low, higher low. Okay, so if we just put a line along that, it does give us some form of a consolidation triangle for me, but this is sideways for me. There's nothing really that I can add to that. And if you look at yesterday, another confused day, big down, big up. One thing's for sure, we did come back on structure here. So at the moment, there's nothing really going on here. Just look at how tight these 1 hour bars at the moment, and in amongst the moving averages. There is a little bit of data coming out today in Germany, which may impact the euro. So probably what we're waiting for is the data coming out. So this is no go for me, and you can see a bit of a triangle forming at the moment. So what we're going to have to do is break through this triangle some way or another, but I'd rather just wait this one out. So I think there's a better opportunity on the pound yen rather than euro pound at the moment. Wait for the data and see what transpires after that. Okay, anyway, that's it for me. Starting to get some opportunities here, but just be cautious and protect your capital at all costs. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.